let's talk about the train trend. This is a trend I didn't understand at first, but then I realized I was disgusted. So then the song kinda says all the characters do something to each other. Please don't search it, it's really disgusting. Plus I am so pissed off BC-eyed how to make an explaining video like this RN. Please, if you're a mother or a father, don't ever let your kids search it. It's really, really appropriate.